Morning YouTube. Big up to all of my subscribers, my lawful subscriber them. You see me I say, yeah, my people them they share my channel and I like my channel and I comment. Big up on yourself. One big up this morning and love to you. You see me I say, but I go to work this morning. You know. See, me late, but I'm not really business a blood clean because I see something what I have to talk about. I do my own thing anyway, so a boy can't fire me, as I say. But anyhow, now watch. I click on YouTube this morning, boom, a video pop up about Rapper Crapper. Rapper Crapper I'm not talking about this morning. You see me I say? Rapper Crapper put out a video. Say, him literally a quarrel, say people they bully him for do review on Cargo album. And him not do no video on Cargo album. Cause people they bully him. Yo, Rapper Crapper, you may attack. You never want to review a man album from day one. Saying, cause you are one of them where they put up a sting upon Cargo, say Cargo this and Cargo that. And Walla Uno, bumbuck like the team up and a fight down the man. For man no rise in our music. And the man come out and tell him, say man, rob him. And him dep on him who now. And the man is a very good artist. You see me I say? And you are one of them because when the man put out a song where they say he might kill all vlogger, you know. And that is just a song there is just a media stunt. You see me I say? He come out with. And you look like that make you have up in man worse. You see me I say? You look like that make you have up in man worse, my youth. A man called Soulflow TV name for the song. And Soulflow, I first man review the album. You see me I say? Me do a video about it before Soulflow, but me never review the album. You see me I say? Me talk about the album. You see me I say? Then Soulflow come and review the album, put in a good review and I say, yo, you want the man come get some stage show all over in America and them way there. You see me I say, Soulflow, big up yourself. Right now you see Soulflow, I best blogger. Soulflow, best Jamaican blogger. Right now. You see me I say, I'm in a business where no one chat say, the man are doing thing good and him are doing thing clean and teach them I want good blogger too. You see me I say, Rapper Crapper, I'm rated still enough. Because I big up you all the while in a bridge. But why you do this man? You shouldn't do it. If you want don't review a man's song, you don't have to make a video say you're not review a man album. You see me I say that sound like a bad man thing and then you go put up a blood clot major hype about crab in a barrel. Oh, crab in a barrel coming at that. Eh? How the fuck crab in a barrel coming at that? You have a crab in a barrel mentality then now. You see me I say cause a man dep on the right track. You see me? A man do a reggae album. Remember saying no? Bob Marley do it, you know, without none of uno, without no blood clot vlogger. They put up nothing. Bob Marley do it. And the man do a good reggae album now. You know think the album go 5 pound Billboard. So that mean the man don't need none of uno. You see me I say and you jump up and say people bully you for do something. And they chat all kind of thing. My youth. If somebody a bully you and you not do something, you just don't do it. You know, have to put up a video and I say you not do no review for nobody. The man they ask if you do no review for him, Bridget. People want to hear the review because those people are your fans. And your fans and them like the song. Them not still like you where say me no like Cargo. Them like Cargo and them are your fans. So they ask you to review the thing. Because they expect you to review the thing. You get what I say? So I just that me I say I know. So you make me have to say you do whole heap of video good enough. You do whole heap of good video and whole heap of knowledgeable thing. You see me I say? But at the end of the day, everybody have put out a fuck up sting upon Cargo. I don't know if you do them thing there. When you see things like that, you know, put yourself in that category there. You see me I deal with? That me I tell you. Because I don't like that. You see me I say? Because I don't see nothing wrong with Cargo. You see me I say? I don't have a problem with the man. You see me I say? The man is a good artist. Because when Cargo busting up, a cartel when they run blood clot dancehall, you know. And when cartel run dancehall, if that a time if I no cartel busting, you nah busting up. And a one bumbo clot gap in man scene, I do a video about it already say. There was a gap where a million man could have bust and a Cargo one seat and use that the opportunity there. Because when Black Rhino come out of Gaza, you see me? That was the gap. And when he come out of Gaza and say, nah, sell out my friend them. And then I suck on him man go up on top. You see me I say? And then I end idea. Then still pull down him man. And the man say, alright. Since I so. People rob me all kind of shit. Me I go up on my own now. And the man start off on his own and first album the man do man successfully. You see me I say? When the man when they start cuss and a thing, you know, the man does do a song about kill all bloggers and fuck up everybody mates. Just to show you say the man is a good artist. You see me I say? The man ain't really have nothing against you in a bridging. The man does do that. It's like an entertainment style. Just like how when Bunty and Beanie they splash. You see me I say? Him big one up. You see me I say him big one up because when a man call on the name and he go worldwide and no big up worldwide said way. You see me I say? So, me no see where a man should have carry belly for that. See Soulflow review the man thing. And Cargo review back Soulflow, they review him. You see me I say? And them the unity that we have. And them the unity that we don't feel no bad mind thing and I have put up Bumbuckler, Major Eyeball, Crab in a Barrel. Oh, Crab in a Barrel coming at that. The man doing album. Oh, Crab in a Barrel coming at that. You get what I say? The man do another song say, in a me place. You see me I say? And Rapper Crapper, hurry up review that song there. I say man say in a face. You see me? The man say in a place. And you hurry up and review it and say, the man say in a place. See? So that now they show you say you come like a hold on the man. You see me I want to get the man, get rid of the man complete. You see me I say I know the man do a conscious album now, clean where everybody can relate to now. I don't know nothing where you have to think no funny way. Man do a clean reggae album. You see me I say, and you come out with a hunger, so you're not review a video. It's a album. You don't have to do no video, say you're not review no album. You come out with a hunger, brethren, say people are bully you and all the thing. You see me I say, if you're not review a thing, you don't have to say nothing. You don't have to do no video and say nothing. You see me I say? Brethren, you need to check yourself. You see me I say? Yeah, you need to check yourself. If you unite, man. If you unite, man, the man do a good album, man. Big up the man album, brethren. You see me I say? I know listen, people come and this can tell me all kind of thing, you know. When me look into it and me say this is negativeness, me no chat about it. You see me no chat about it because he not going to put me nowhere. Me not going to come and this a cuss nobody. I'm not even a cuss right now, me just a talk hard. You see me I say? Yeah, that me I try to show you. So what me I say? Don't do them video like them there again, brethren. You see me I say because people go say a bad mind. You see me, that people go say. Because to me, oh, that sound like a bad mind is him. Like I said, bombard. Look how we are trying to hold on the man. And the man just do a reggae album and nobody can hold on. You see me I say, and him go get rich now. So me no review nothing. And a good little lie I tell about people, they tell about the bully you do now. A good little lie I tell them now. You see me I say, yeah man, big up to Soulflow TV, man. Soulflow TV are the best, man. And teach them. You see me I say, yeah, I'm a real rapper crap. You know, say me subscribe to the channel. As I put up a video, me see it. I me do a video, I big up the whole of Uno. And none of them say thanks. You see me I say, you don't know if you roll so bridging. You don't know if you roll so it's a network. You're a good blogger still, you know. You're a good blogger, but me not rate that the one thing what you do. You see me I say, I don't rate that one thing when you do. I just that me log on this morning for say right now. It's a man I deal with. So that is that. It's a man I say, yeah man, big up all of my subscribers them man. All of my loyal people them man. Jamaica man, one love, you know. I'm out.